you'll find it when you put your finish on. And with water, you don't ever have to worry about that kind of oil being into the wood. Unfortunately, you can't run the Lucas mill without oil. And that bar can only take so much abuse and so much heat before you're going to twist it. Okay? So, this one, I'll run the water about half, third of the way. On the Lucas mill, I run the oil wide open all the time. More wood that I'm going to get through in my lifetime.
Did I cover all land?
Yeah. Matter of fact, what I'm going to do is I got some teenage alcohol up front. I'll flip this over. We'll make a couple cuts. I'll never forget the first time I got a hold of him, and I was like, "Clint, isn't that a little dangerous to be running that mill inside?" He goes, "Rope, it's all electric." I was like, "Okay, now I'm jealous." You bring that thing inside, you can cut all day long. There's no fumes. so thin.
Yeah.
Now on the chainsaw one, about every 18 inches, you have to wedge it. Because the minute that blade gets too much tension on it, you can feel that it's not cutting properly.
Resistance.
With this one, because that kerf is so small, I've only had to do it once. I cut a couple of 6x, and by the time I got to the end, I did have to kind of get something in that beginning of the cut. A lot to them, which I like, because the more complex you make something, the more things go wrong, you know.
I used to complain about power windows. Because roll up and roll down, you never had a problem with them things, right?
Power windows. I still wish I could get a pickup truck with the old, you know.
My 96 F250, not a power accessory in it. So.
See?
I know.
So I got a question. How long?